Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to fix Eufy doorbell not charging. Battery and cable fix guide for all models. Fix 1. Check the charging cable and adapter. Disconnect the current charging cable. Try a different USB cable. Use a 5 volt 2 ampere volt charger whenever possible. Avoid weak 5 volt 1 ampere adapters as charging may be extremely slow. Verify the power outlet works by testing another device. Fix 2. Inspect the charging port. Dust and debris can prevent proper charging. Remove the doorbell from its mounting bracket. Check the USB charging port for dirt or corrosion. Carefully clean the port using compressed air or a soft brush. Reconnect the charger and check for the charging indicator light. Fix 3. Verify the charging indicator. When charging correctly, the doorbell should show a charging LED or charging icon in the Eufy app. Connect the charger, wait a few minutes, check if the battery percentage increases. If there is no charging light, try another cable and adapter. Fix 4. Charge the doorbell for several hours. If the battery is completely drained, it may take time before charging indicators appear. Leave the doorbell connected for at least 2 to 3 hours. Some models may require up to 6 hours for a full charge when using a lower power adapter. Fix 5. Restart or reset the doorbell. Press and hold the sync button for about 10 seconds to reset the device. Reconnect it to the Eufy security app if required. Check whether charging resumes after setup. Fix 6. Check hardwired power. Wired models. If your doorbell is connected to existing doorbell wiring, inspect wire connections for looseness or corrosion. Verify the transformer provides the correct voltage. Restart the doorbell after checking the wiring. Fix 7. Remove and re-add the doorbell in the app. Save any important recordings. Remove the doorbell from the Eufy security app. Add it again as a new device. Check whether charging is detected afterward. Fix 8. Check for battery failure. If the doorbell is several years old, the battery may no longer hold a charge. Signs of battery failure. Battery drains quickly after charging. Battery percentage never reaches 100%. Doorbell shuts down shortly after unplugging. Fix 9. Contact Eufy support. If your Eufy doorbell still won't charge after trying all troubleshooting fixes, contact Eufy support for further assistance. Open the Eufy security app and go to help and feedback. Note down your doorbell model number and serial number. Take photos or screenshots of any charging errors or battery issues. Contact Eufy support through their official support page, live chat, or email. Explain the troubleshooting steps you have already completed. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment, and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.